Okay guys, so what I did is I created this little website to help you guys review for your Compass review. So there's a couple things I want to point out to you so you don't miss them. So this will be a short, quick video. I'm going to go real quick. You can pause the video, play it again and again. But the first thing is I have some practice problems straight from the ACT website. So if you click on this link, there's two PDF files you could download. One is the pre-algebra / algebra stuff. If you click on that, that'll open up a PDF file. You could print it off. Basically what I did is I printed it off and I just went through and worked through the problem. So the first group of videos for the pre-algebra and algebra are from this first little worksheet packet or practice test problems, and they're all listed right here. And so if you come to the playlist on my thing where it says practice problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are going to be from that packet. Now, if it just says practice problem 1 or 9 or 4, that's the pre-algebra portion of the test. And then if it says A1, A2, A3, and so on, that's the algebra portion from this PDF file. So there's two parts. There's a pre-algebra part, and then which is this one here. It's numerical skills and pre-algebra. So that's just the regular numbers. And then A1, A2, A3, A4, those are all the algebra placement test. If you click on this first video or that first link again, that's just the one of two sample math questions. I didn't have time to go through and do all of the college algebra, geometry, and trigonometry. But I was able to get most of the college algebra stuff done. So if you click on that and you want to print that worksheet off, it looks very similar to the first one. And those are just going to say, in the videos, they'll say CA1. So again, when you come over here, if you just scroll down the playlist where it says, well, let's go down. Here's CA1. So if I click on this, okay, so we have a C. So this video here is CA1, and that's corresponding to question number 1 from the college algebra. Right? So it's a geometric sequence. If we look at the video, geometric sequence. So that's where you can find the two worksheets. And like I said, I didn't have time to do that whole second packet, but we're really focusing on the algebra portion. So I did most of the college algebra ones. Now, if you want some additional algebra review, the second link here is a whole bunch of algebra videos that I made when I used to teach Algebra 1. So if you click on this link, it will actually open up my old SchoolTube channel. I didn't have time to download them all and transfer them over to YouTube. But if you click on it, it'll take a second to load. It'll look like there's nothing there. Maybe I can fix that before you guys view it. And this is a channel of all of my old Algebra 1 videos. So you have to kind of scroll down, and they go in order, so but you have to go from the bottom up to the top. So let's say that you had a problem with doing like a perpendicular line or a parallel line or solving equations. You just got to scroll through here and find one that fits your type of problem or one you can't remember. So it would be in your best interest to definitely explore like all of Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Each video is kind of long though. Each video is about 15 minutes long, so be selective in what you're choosing, or be prepared to watch lots of videos and take lots of notes. I'll just pick one so you guys can get an idea. So graphing a parallel line, that's a pretty common algebra problem. If you click on that, it'll take it a second, but it'll open up a video. And SchoolTube's a little slower than YouTube. And so this is a video of me. Let me mute that so I don't hear myself talking. And so it's just a video of me going through a problem. You know, there's a write an equation of a line that passes through a point parallel to an equation. And so this is the information that you would see like on the Compass test. Write an equation of a line that passes through the point 3, 1 that's parallel to negative 2x plus 3. If we continue to watch the video, I go through and I graph the original line. Then I talk to you about parallel lines have the same slopes. So then you just got to go through the whole thing. Once I know what the slope is, how do I write the equation of the second line? Well, I know it has to pass through the point 3, 1. So I graph the point 3, 1, and then I use the slope, and then I graph that. Then I look for the y-intercept. I know it has the same slope because it's parallel, and then you just go through from there. I hope that helps.